Looking at the incident that occurred today in the Wolves v Arsenal game in the 43rd minute, which saw Myles Lewis-Skelly sent off for serious foul play for a challenge, in my opinion, was the incorrect decision. What a referee has to look for and decide when judging challenges is that a careless challenge is a free kick, nothing else. A reckless challenge is a free kick and a yellow card. When a player makes a challenge or lunges with 1 or 2 feet from the side, from the front or from the back, that endangers the player's safety with excessive force and brutality, must be sanctioned with a red card. Now, in my opinion, this challenge didn't meet that criteria. I thought it was the incorrect decision. I thought it was a reckless challenge and a yellow card. Now, listen, looking at Michael's position, did he not see the challenge in its entirety? Was he guessing? But irrespective of Michael's incorrect decision, in my opinion, what was VAR Darren England looking at? Because if Darren England afforded Michael a second view by going over to the monitor to check the incident, I believe that Michael would have cancelled his decision and issued a yellow card for a reckless challenge. So the question has to be asked, what was Darren England looking at in that situation?